This one's gonna be on my new way of getting wallpapers. I showed you in the past how I did it before, but that was like, it was a lot of work too. This one is actually really lazy after you set it up, and you don't really have to do shit after that. I got this idea from one of my viewers. What's his name? Detroit Player for Show, part of the GN unit, I guess. But basically, he gave me his script. I ended up not using it because I believe his just downloaded like one wallpaper and didn't really meet my purpose. So I wrote one myself, and this is basically what it does here. So it goes to this site. It's called Interfacelift. I actually never heard of it until like recently, as he told me. But anyways, you know, you go here. They have like different categories. The one you want to use is the random one. And I think, let me see, zoom in here. If I could. There we go. Right, so you use the random one, and then you pick out, I don't know, whatever device or screen size you have, and have different resolution too. So I'm just gonna use the HD TV, and then 1080p or 720p, whatever is up to you, right? What you want to do is copy that link if you decide to change it from the one that I have, and then paste it into the script later on. Okay. But anyways, this is the site. They give you like 10 wallpapers at a time, and the good thing about the random one is that whenever you refresh it, it'll just give you 10 new ones, so you can, you know, download from. Right, so every time you refresh it, it'll give you 10 new ones. So basically, we don't want to do this ourselves. We're just going to use our script to do it. So let me show you the script here. Oh, there we go. So basically, if I run this, well, actually, let me show you the code first, right? Right, basically, in here, what you want to do is, if you really want to change it, this, I guess, 4 variables here you can change. So this is the link that it'll grab from, and you can go to the website and then change it to the one that you like in here. This is the expiration date. I have it because, you know, I don't want to keep old wallpapers around. So every 30 days, it's just gonna delete the old ones that it finds. So whenever you run this script, it's gonna change the modified date to your current date, and then like whenever 30 days come, it'll compare it and it'll say, okay, this one is 30 days old now, and it'll delete the old one. So that's why it's lazy, because you don't really have to delete it yourself. The script will do it for you. And this is just a temporary folder that will just be deleted later on, and this is where it's stored in. Alright, you don't have to create this folder. It'll just, you know, the script will create the folder itself if, you know, it doesn't exist already. But that's basically it. You need to install lynx, because that's what I'm using to grab the images here. And everything else in here, I put notes on it if you really want to know what it does. But that'll be it for the script. And if we run it, let me clear this bottom here. This is where my you know, my my wallpapers are saved at. So it's just wallpapers, like I said in the other script here. But anyways, what's the current thing that we have? I think we have 165 wallpapers, right? So if we run the script, it should have like at least 10 more, if it's not like duplicates or anything. So if I run it manually, right, it's gonna download the wallpapers here into this folder once it's done. So we'll wait for it to finish. Right, so it's finished. It only downloads 10 at a time, so if you run it again, it'll just download it again. Okay, new ones, I guess. But right now, let's say we do that again. Let's see how many do we have now. So we have like 72 now, right? 172 now. So, you know, whenever you run the script, it'll just download, I guess, 10, or if it's duplicate, then it'll be less. And if you set it up on your cron tab, it'll maybe like for like every day or something like that, then you'll have like 10 every day. And then you use your wallpaper changer, depending on, you know, whatever desktop environment you're at, you can use your wallpaper changer. With XFCE, I already show you how to do that one, with wallpaper changer, and then it'll just change your wallpaper automatically if you want to do that, or you can do it manually like I showed you, right? Anyways, that's how I get my wallpapers. And if you want to get the script, I'll probably post it somewhere in the description below. But that's it for the script. Really lazy. If you don't want to think about wallpapers again, and all the wallpapers you've been seeing, like I think for the last 2-3 months, is from this Interfacelift website. So there you go. That's the ultimate lazy way that I do it now.